Today we are going to go through a particular program of list. Actually, it is a function. I have given this one in the last day in the classwork. Only 2 students has done it well. Otherwise, in everywhere there is some errors are there. So I think that I should discuss this one. Write a function name is there in Python which accept a list, name is ARR, of numbers, and is a numeric value by which all elements of the list are shifted to the list. And what is and numeric value, and is a new n is a numeric value. What will going to be happen? The list, the numbers are going to be shifted by that value. Suppose this is the list, this is the original list. What will happen? Value of the n is 2, so 30 will come over here, 40 will come over here, then 12 will come over here, 11 will come over here, and at last 10 or 20 is going to be added over there. Okay, now what will be the what will be looks like array after the shifting? It will looks like that: 30, 40, 12, 11, 10 and 20. Means 10 and 20 is over. I have to shift it at the last. So if I pop these 2 elements and add that one in the end of the list, the problem is going to be solved over there. Now see this one. This is in form of programs. I have done it. I have written in form of functions also. This is the array. I have initialized this one. This is the n2. By 2 it will be shifted to the left. n2 is a blank list. Now I will just start a for loop. For loop will go up to 2, means 0 and 1 2 times. n2 dot append arr pop 0 means that this is going to be transferred into the n. Loop will go. Now after this, what will happen? After 10 will come out into the n2, pop from the array and come into the n2, then 20 will be in the 0 location. 2 times the loop will be there, and once again the 20 will be come into the n2. So what will going to be? n2 dot append will be there. Which one will be append? Which will pop from the arr 0. First from arr 0, 10 will be popped and append in the n2. After that, if it is popped, then 0 will come into the 20 will come into the first position, in the 0 position. Then 2 times the loop will continue. Then 20 will be popped and come into the n2. Now what I will do? The print n2 I have given, but that is actually not required. I just want to see that one. It will show you that 10 and 20. Now what I have done, ARR is equal to ARR plus 2. At the last, I pop 2 elements. So 30 will be that first, 40 will be there, 12 will be there, and 11 will be there. And here I am going to add these 2. Doing that one and print. The things is going to be solved over there. Now in the form of print, we are going to write this one like this. Okay, this is the main logic over here. n2 dot append. In a blank list I am going to append. Which one I am going to append? Which will come from the will pop from the 0 subscript of ARR. After the element which is in the 0, it will be popped. Then the element in the 1, it will come into the 0. 2 times the 2 elements are going to, that 2 are going to be added over here. Now I think you have understood this one. Thank you very much.